Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and configure Sentinel Firewall on Ubuntu 24.04. Ubuntu 24.04 comes with the UFW firewall by default, which must be removed before installing Sentinel. Next, install the dependencies. SendMail is required to send alerts to the administrator, so run the following command to install it. Now, change to the following directory. Download the latest Sentinel from GitHub. Next, extract CSF. Continue to change to the CSF directory. Run the install script. Then, verify that the required iptables modules for CSF are available. Confirm that all tests report OK, and you see the following result. Next, verify CSF status after installation. You should see the following result. CSF runs in testing mode by default. Edit the CSF configuration file to disable the testing mode. Next, locate the following line and change the value to 0. Continue to locate the following line and change the value to 3. Then, save the configuration file. After that, stop and reload CSF with the following option. Run the following command to start CSF. After each change to the configuration file, you must restart CSF. Edit the CSF configuration file. Locate the following lines and add the required ports. Then, restart CSF for the changes to take effect. Use the D option to deny by IP address. Use the A option to allow by IP address. Run the following command to remove the IP address from the allow list. Run the following command to remove the IP address from the deny list. You can block IPs by adding an entry to the following directory. You can also add trusted IPs by adding an entry to the following directory. And you can check all listening ports with the P option.